Hello there, everybody. Those of you guys who pay real close attention to the channel, and a lot of you do, may have noticed in a recent community tab post, we kind of had a little hint of a surprise coming up. A lot of you guys have kind of already guessed the foreshadowing of what we're leading up to here. And that's basically that finally I have decided upon a vehicle to get. It's been a process and you guys follow up and keep track of it the whole way through, but it is coming to a conclusion, which is very exciting.
So what we're going to do to make this process a little bit interactive and engaging is that we're going to have basically like 5 or 6 days worth of clues. We're going to reveal the car that we have decided to purchase on December 24th, so Christmas Eve at 1:00 p.m. The video will be live and you'll know what car we've decided to go with. And what we're going to do is just give you like little clues throughout, hints. Maybe some of you guys can guess what car we ended up going with. So maybe we should go on their first hint today.
If you're if you're listening real hard here and paying close attention, you'll notice the vocabulary use here with we. That is the first clue, basically. The budget's been blown, or will be blown. So we're kind of going in together, getting something a little bit more expensive, something, it's more expensive. That's going to be your first clue.
It's outside.
I won't go any further than this because we have some more clues or whatever, but more expensive. So higher than that $30,000 threshold. That was what I was looking at. Not that much higher. It's not like $80,000 or something. No. But it is higher than $30,000. So keep that in mind. That's hint one, and we'll have some more hints coming at you over the next few days leading up to when we actually go and buy the car and get that video to you guys shortly thereafter on Christmas Eve.
1:00 p.m. Be there. And also, concluding this video, it is at the end of the year, so I want to make kind of an announcement regarding video improvements for the upcoming year. At the end of every single year, we like to review what we've done, what type of video improvements we've made, and also what we want to see in the future. And we definitely want to hear from you guys from that. See what type of content you want. We want unique content heading into the future, so if you have any ideas, please let us know. We seriously want to hear that because we don't want you to unsubscribe. We want to hear your voice. Please let us know what is in your mind.
And if you're wondering what I'm looking at, because I just keep getting totally distracted, is this cat just walking around in circles, trying to distract me, and it's really working well. But anyways, that's pretty much all we wanted to say. Like I said, got some hints coming up, big car reveal coming up, and get those comments, suggestions into us down in the comment section below.